design right here was originally created by Samfix Designs. You can check him out on Instagram. So this is what we're going to be working on today. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to go over here and get a plain background white. Okay, then the other thing I want to do is to get our background. This is the background that I decided to use. I'm going to bring it here like this. I'll drag it in like this. Alright, then I'm going to lock it. I'll bring in this guy. Alright, I'm going to put it here. I would make sure the color is plain white. I'll stretch it out a little like this. Put it right there. Okay, let's just stretch it out a little. Let's put it like this. Okay. Alright, so this is it. So right here, I'm gonna get the logo for this particular church. I'm going to go over to erase color and I'm going to take out the colors. I'll leave it just let's use a light color like this or this or even this, and I'm going to put it right there. The name of the church is the Prophetic Company Global. I'm going to bring it right here. I'll use a vertical. You can download it. I'll use bold here. Then I'll use for this. I'll use this version. The color is going to be white. Right? White like this. Then I'm going to go over here and I would centralize it. Okay, let's reduce this logo. Alright, then the main theme is purpose and power. So write it like this and power. Alright, so we'll look for a long font. The one that's available here to use is Behance. Make it bold like this. Then we'll go over here. I think it's Behance, the brush this designer used. So we would increase it and then we'll come over here and close it up, close up the line space like this. Okay, then we'll go over here and then we'll we internalize it just like this. Alright, so if you notice around that place where that purple is, there's a dark color. So let's go over here. Let's work on this. Okay, let's go over here and bring this guy. We'll still use it, so we're just gonna come over here and change the color to this color right here in the background. This one. This dark color. Alright, and we can just fix it there and put it there. Alright, okay. Alright, then I can save, lock all these guys. Bring this guy to the front. Something ST, not lock. Bring this guy to the front. Remaining this one. Okay, you can bring this one to the front. Bring this one to the front. Bring this guy to the front. So for this guy now, I can now use this color. So, alright. Okay. Purpose, and so let's stretch it out like this. use one of these colors. So let's bring this here. So something like this, right? Okay, so for the images, we're going to bring in these images. I'm bringing them to the front. So I would first try to adjust the color, or let me even use a black and a white like this. Alright, then for this we have this. Okay. So we still have this and this. So this is the main person. Alright, this is another guy again. Alright, so I'm just going to reduce this. Let's put this one here. Let's put this one here. Right. Okay. So let's send these to the front. Okay. Alright. So after you have done all that, you can send this guy to the front like this. Alright. Then you can begin to put in their names. So I'm going to use just one name and duplicate it for the other names. So let's say the main pastor's name is Gideon Ibrahim. Alright, then we can come over here and use this guy. Alright, then sorry, you change the color to white. Alright, so let's put it here. This is the name. Alright, so this other person's name. Alright, let's end this on P. Daniel. Alright. Okay, so I don't know the other person's name, so I'm just gonna replicate these names and put it right there. Okay, so that's going to be their names. Then right here we have the word conference, and it's going to still be the same long font here. So go conference. So we just put it there, and the color is going to be just plain white. So let's go to color, select white, reduce it a little. So put it right there. So there's gonna be a box there. Let's go. Let's put a shape here. Alright, it's gonna be an orange shape. We can use this. We'll get the real one from here. Okay. Alright, so right there we're going to put the words 2024, right? 2024, okay? So we're going to change the color to black. Alright. Okay, so we use this font here. It's still the same, a vertical. Alright, so that's it. So once you're done with this, the next thing you want to do is to work on the other part of these other designs, which is going to be let's go with this for inquiry. We just come over here, change the fonts to this is going to be normal like this, then this is going to be quite bold like this. Alright, so we can send it here, change the color to black as usual. You can reduce it just here. Okay, then you come over here, you get this Friday blah 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 blah, bring it to the front. Alright, so I'm going to take this one out first like this. Alright, this is going to be here. We'll use this. You bring it here, reduce it a little and put it right there. Alright, just increase it small, put it right there. Still increase it, okay? Still increase it, okay? Let's put it there like this. Alright, so let's copy this and bring this guy here. So I'm pasting this one, I'm removing this from here, cut it out. Alright, so this is going to be here, and we're going to change it to the light version, which is going to be this one here. Alright, so put it here, right here, and we'll bring in this guy. Alright, so bring in this guy, this guy here, and we'll fix it right there, small. Alright, then I gotta bring this guy also to the front. I'll fix it right there. Alright, so this way you can copy this. Alright, copy this and paste this guy here. So remove this one, the live, and put it right here. So we can reduce it also. Alright, so this is what we have. Okay, so this is what we have. So if you check the original design, you'll see further that there is this team, the territory and the ministry, blah blah blah. That's the only thing that is left. So to fix that, I'm going to come over here. I will close this up a little. Alright, then I'll push this up. I'll take this up to, I'll take this up. Then to fix that, I'm going to let's bring it first. This is it. Alright, this is it. So it's bold and the color is going to be white. Alright, that's the theme. Okay, so we can either we bring this guy down, we can bring this guy down like this. Alright, then it means that we can push all these images and the names also to the bottom. So let's go 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So we can push everything down like this. Okay, so that when I create a space here to put this guy, so I'm going to make it just these two lines like this. Alright, then I copy this and I put it right there for the theme. Alright, so you just look for a script font for it. Let the color be this and look for a script font. So let's get one here. Let's try this. Alright. Okay, so that's it. That's what we have here. So don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. My name is Niyamuda, and I will see you in the next tutorial.